Good day to you, this is Rin, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the Traders Educator on New Zealand dollar, on the daily chart you can see that a very bullish movement. Alright, so a bullish movement, having a bearish move over here, waiting for a market confirmation or reversal. A great buying opportunity as long as market did not break and close below 0.6566. Alright, that would be great. Very nice channel over here. Alright, so to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, nothing much for me apart from this buy zone range. To the 1 hour, very bearish movement due to the recent movement. Alright, but it's pretty fine. On the daily and 4-hour is still bullish. Alright, so let me share with you my analysis. My analysis on the daily chart. Still a bearish bet for counter trend trading opportunity at 0.6887. Still stand. Alright, so on this daily movement, double bottom, market went up, retest, missed this opportunity to buy, then waiting for a retracement into this big cyan box over here. Alright, then on the 4-hour chart, it does give me an even better price, a tighter range for a buying opportunity. Isn't it better? So within this range, what I can wait for is a double bottom, just like a double top over here. Alright, very nice. So I'll wait for a double bottom before I engage the trade. Alright, to the 1-hour chart, nothing much for me. So that's all I have for you over here. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us Facebook Live this Wednesday, 6:08 PM Singapore time at www.facebook.com/forexhybrid.org. Check the description at the bottom. Till then, remember always, plan your trade and trade your plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.